It is obvious that one way to make money on YouTube is through AdSense. What most people don't know is that it is also one of the worst ways of making money on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to rank every single way of making money on YouTube from the least to the highest so that you know which one makes more money and you go in for it. So here's a quick note. Every single way of making money on YouTube have been categorized into 5 categories. And starting at the very bottom of this list is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is when your viewers decide to support you directly by sending you money or by sending you gifts. So this can be done on a monthly basis or as a one-time donation. Usually the way they do this is that they use external platforms like Patreon and Buy Me Coffee to donate to creators. But not long ago, YouTube introduced channel membership, super chats, and other stuff. So your viewers can support you financially directly through YouTube. As for you to be able to get this, you have to reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. That is for the YouTube. But outside the YouTube own, anybody can start this crowdfunding. You just need to go to this platform, Buy Me Coffee, Patreon, sign an account, and then they give you a link. Then you share it to your subscribers or to your viewers. Yeah, like you can even start this with 0 subscribers. So it's very easy to start, but here's the problem. For people to be able to donate to you, there needs to be some kind of emotional connection. Yeah, but sometimes there's a way you can create a content that it can be so interesting or so valuable, and somebody might decide to give a one-time donation. So it is very easy to start, but very difficult to get people to donate to you. And even when you get people to donating to you, the money is usually not huge as compared to the other ways of making money on YouTube. Like let's say, for example, the average amount people put on this crowdfunding platform is around $5. So for you to get $500 smoothly, it means 100 people need to be donating to you. Meaning that if you want to start getting like a tangible money from crowdfunding, you need to have around 500 to 1,000 people to donating to you, and that is very difficult. Fourth on the list is YouTube AdSense. YouTube AdSense is when YouTube show ads on your videos. Like I said, it is one of the worst ways of making money on YouTube. So for you to be qualified to start making money on YouTube through AdSense, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is somehow difficult. It is said that the average time it takes for somebody to reach this requirement is 1.5 years. So that is 1 year, 6 months. Though nowadays people are now making it in 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, but the average is 1 year, 6 months. That's freaking long. And then when you're qualified to monetize, you then realize that not every creator is paid the same amount of money. The amount of money you get on YouTube is based on mainly 2 things: your niche and the location. That is, people watching your video, where are they watching from? When we come to niche, there is different pay for each niches. So niches like gaming niches, vlogging niches, those type of niches, they are paid less. The RPM and CPM is around $1 to $2. Now, for those who don't know what's RPM or CPM, so you see, when advertisers want to advertise on YouTube, they pay YouTube money, let's say $4. So that money they pay to YouTube is the CPM. But YouTube divides money into 2 and then give you 1 and take half. So the half, which is now your money, is the RPM. Yeah, the revenue, cost, whatever. So in niches like gaming niches, vlog niches, the RPM and CPM is very low because people are only watching it for entertainment. They are not watching it with the intention to buy something. So advertisers don't pay much for those niches. So a vlogger who made a vlogging video and the video got around 100,000 views. Maybe if you look at the revenue of the person might be making around $100 or $200 for that 100k views. Meanwhile, when you come to finance niche or business niche, where the RPM or CPM is around $20 to $30, so for that same 100,000 views, you might be getting around $2,000 and $3,000. So when you do comparison, you will see that a finance video with 10k views can be any more than a vlogging channel with 100k views. Then in terms of location, there is different pay for different audiences. Yeah, like for example, if your audience are mostly from third world countries, you are going to earn low amount of money because for them they don't have much income. Their disposable income is very low. For example, I'm in the third world country, and for here our average monthly income is $100. So which means in a year the average monthly income is around $1,000. Yeah, but in the first world countries, the average monthly income is around $3,000 to $4,000, which means in a year the average annual income is $50,000 to $60,000. You can see the difference. So depending on where your audience are coming from, your pay can be high or low. The another thing that determines the amount of money you make is the length of your video. A 10-minute video will earn more than a 2-minute video. So this is all about AdSense. It is very difficult for the average person here to start making money through this means. And even when you start making it, your pay can differ based on your niche or the geographical areas of your audience, and so many other things. Now, third on the list is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product. Yeah, for example, I make a product and you are a content creator, you can come to me and be like, you want to help me to sell my product, but I'm going to give you some commission out of whatever you sell. And be like, okay, fine, then I give you my product and you help me promote my product and earn commission. But here is one thing, most people are being deceived that affiliate marketing is easy to start. Yes, it is very easy to start, but for you to make your first sales is going to be very difficult, because people miss the fact that for you to start affiliate marketing, you need to first of all have an audience. Yeah, because if you have products but you don't have customers, like the goods will be there, nobody's going to buy it. And so affiliate marketing, for you to be able to start making money on affiliates with affiliate marketing, you need to have an audience. Yes, and not just an audience, you need to have an audience that is in line with what you want to promote. So affiliate marketing can be a very big game changer in terms of your finance, because there are some people who, in terms of views, when it comes to YouTube AdSense, they are earning around $200 per month. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, like the amount of money they make from affiliate marketing is like times 10 of what they make from views. And when we come to gaming, so gaming has a very low revenue, around $1 to $2. But when you introduce affiliate marketing into it and start selling gaming PCs, gaming setup, gaming instruments, you make a whole lot of money. So affiliate marketing is a game changer and is third on the list. Now let's go into the top 2 ways of making money on YouTube. Now the second on the list is sponsorship and brand deals. Now, after watching so many videos on how much many creators made, so it is obvious that sponsorship and brand deals is the top ways most creators make money on YouTube. Sponsorship and brand deals is when companies or when brands decide to pay you money for you to kind of talk about their business to your audience. Yeah, and the audience will kind of patronize them. But for you to start sponsorship, yeah, it's kind of very hard, because you need to grow to some kind of followers before you can be able to start a sponsorship deal. So for sponsorship, it takes time, but when it comes to money you make from it, the money is worth it. And now, the first on the list, the top way of making money on YouTube is when you create a business around your channel or around your niche. So this business can be, you can either be selling course on how to do something, you can render services. So a lot it goes into creating a business around your channel. So this is the top way of making money on YouTube. Like there's this content creator I watched, he doesn't make a lot of views. His views is on average around 10k views, 20k views, but he said he makes $500,000 every single month. And that is because he made a business around his niche. And that is why sometimes you see content creators with low views making huge amount of money, because they've created a business around their channel. So these are the 5 ways of making money on YouTube ranked. Do you think I missed out on anyone, or do you think that I didn't rank it very well? I want to hear your opinion in the comment section. So but don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can check out those videos over here.